Welcome back to Neural Chatter, the podcast where we demystify the world of artificial intelligence and, sometimes reveal its hidden gems.
That's right, Nova, and today we're diving into a topic that might raise a few eyebrows, but trust us, it's worth it. We're talking about remote AI jobs that seem, well, kind of boring until you see the paycheck.
Exactly. We hear so much about the glamorous AI architect roles, but honestly, some of the most stable and well-paying positions are the ones that are a little more, behind the scenes. First up, the AI prompt engineer.
The prompt engineer. Sounds kind of niche, right? But seriously, crafting those effective prompts for large models like ChatGPT or Midjourney, it is absolutely critical. The output quality, it hinges entirely on how precise your input is.
It really does. And we're talking salaries from $100,000 to $300,000, depending on your experience, and the platform.
So why is it boring, then?
Well, it requires incredibly meticulous wording, repetitive testing, and just constant fine-tuning of prompts. It's less flashy than, say, an AI architect, but it's super in demand. It's like being a poet for machines, but, with less flair.
I like that. Less flair, more cash. Speaking of meticulous, next on our list is the data annotator, or AI trainer. This one sounds like schoolwork, I guess.
It kind of is. These roles are all about building accurate models by meticulously labeling data and verifying AI outputs. We're talking $40,000 to $80,000 plus, with top earners pushing over $90,000.
And the boring part?
Oh, it's pretty repetitive, very detail-oriented work. It involves a lot of scrolling and tagging images or text pretty much all day, every day. It's not for everyone, but someone's got to do it.
Someone's got to do it and get paid well for it, it seems. Okay, moving on to something that sounds a bit more serious. AI ethicist or AI audit specialist.
This is a big one. Companies are investing heavily to ensure AI fairness, transparency, and compliance, especially in those heavily regulated sectors. It's crucial.
And the pay reflects that, right? $80,000 to over $200,000 depending on experience. So what makes this potentially boring?
Well, it involves a lot of reviewing code, algorithms, and reports. It's excellent for those who enjoy policy, fine details, and just, steady analysis. It's the AI's conscience, but with a lot of paperwork.
Paperwork for paychecks. I get it. All right, next up, a role that sounds almost made up. Synthetic data generator or data taxonomy specialist.
I know, right? But creating and organizing fake data sets for training AI without compromising real data privacy, it is absolutely essential. Think $70,000 to $160,000.
So the boring bit here is what, making up data?
Pretty much. It's about spotting inconsistencies, defining categories, and generating structured data sets. It can feel monotonous, but it's incredibly critical work. You're basically building the entire mock-up world for AI to learn from.
Fascinating. And finally, number 5 on our list, a role that sounds a bit more technical, but still in this boring but lucrative category, the ML Ops engineer.
Oh, the ML Ops engineer. They ensure AI models run smoothly in production. We're talking continuous training, deployment, monitoring, pipeline maintenance, all of it. They're like the plumbers of AI, if you will. And they make serious bank, $165,000 to $220,000 on average.
That's a great salary. So the boring part is just keeping things running?
Yeah, it involves managing infrastructure, debugging pipelines, automating tasks. It's more engineering than pure research. It's the unsung hero keeping the AI lights on.
It's interesting because despite all the hype around those flashier AI roles, these back office positions, as you called them, they are truly the backbone of real-world AI. They require precision, consistency, domain expertise, and companies are just happy to pay a premium for that.
Absolutely. And here's the kicker for all 5 of these roles. They are fully remote. Fully. They enjoy growing demand across industries like tech, finance, healthcare, and even government.
Yeah, platforms like Upwork, AIjobs.net, even specialized portals like AI Work Portal list tons of openings. So for anyone looking for a stable, well-compensated, remote career in AI, these are truly ideal.
So the bottom line is, these jobs might not require flashy innovation, but they deliver incredibly high pay and consistent demand. If you enjoy structured, meticulous work, and maybe you want a stress-free AI career, these roles might be boring to some.
But they are incredibly lucrative and, dare I say, fulfilling for the right candidates.
Absolutely. That's all the time we have for today's Neural Chatter. Thanks for tuning in.
We'll chat with you next time.